The Akashic Records is a powerful tool to help you tap into your soul's blueprint, where you get all of your question answered, where you can uncover so many things about your life purpose, about the past, and most of all help you find your path in life, the right path, the path that is just right for you. Now, if you have ever wondered about the Akashic Records, from what exactly are they, how do you really use them, how can they actually help you in your life moving forward, then this video is for you, because in today's video I want to share with you some insights into what exactly are the Akashic Records and how can they actually help you, how are they beneficial in you moving forward, and also of course tapping into your soul's blueprint. So if you want to learn more about the Akashic Records, stay tuned, because that's what I'm going to share with you today in this video, so stay tuned. Hello there, beautiful soul. In case you don't know me, in case you're new to this channel, my name is Kay Sanders. I'm a divine messenger and celestial healer, assisting awakening souls on their spiritual awakening journey so they can really awaken to their power within and create more success, abundance, and freedom in their life, all while making a bigger impact in the world. Now, if you're new to my channel, I want to invite you, if you're in your spiritual awakening journey, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I release new content. So you may have heard about the Akashic Records, maybe you have looked into them a little bit, and you're wondering what exactly are the Akashic Records. So the easiest way I like to explain it is, think of it like it's your soul's library of all lifetime. Past, current, future, where you can really find out just about anything that you want to find out about. So another name that my guides have shared with me is, that I kind of like, is the oracle of your soul. And you know, like an oracle, you can get all your questions answered, right? When you go to a psychic or an oracle, you can get your questions answered. So it's similar with the Akashic Records. You can tap into your soul's blueprint. Now, just real quick about a soul blueprint. It's the way that you are, the things you are meant to do in each lifetime. It's really like helping you uncover your true soul's mission. And if you are going about life in whatever way you feel called to, you may be misaligned. Okay, let me rephrase that. If you're going about life the way you think you should go about life, you may be misaligned to your soul's blueprint. But when you tap into your soul's blueprint, which the Akashic Records can really help you with, you can find out what exactly you are here to do, and then you can take actions based on that. So you can really tap into that soul's blueprint, because your soul has a map already outlined. Every time your soul enters into a lifetime, it already knows exactly what it's meant to do in that particular lifetime. But you, of course, you have forgotten. So by accessing your Akashic Records and tapping into your soul's blueprint, well, you can live by exactly what you are meant to do, what you are here to do. So let me share with you some of the things that you can actually do and find out within the Akashic Records, because it is truly a powerful, powerful tool that I came across the Akashic Records back in 2016, and it has changed my life. Before, I always had questions. I was always wondering. I was always worried, and it was just like I was just feeling so misaligned in my entire life. Basically everything that I was doing didn't really go so well. It didn't make sense all the time. It was just so challenging. And when I was being led to finding out about the Akashic Records, and the first experience I had with getting a reading, it blew my mind. And then I really got certified and started learning about the Akashic Records. And now, of course, I also do it. I also offer readings for my clients. And also, I just want to invite you, if you're interested in learning more about the Akashic Records and maybe how you can tap into it, I do have a 6-day challenge that I want to invite you to take a look at, if you feel called to do something like that. I put the link below. It's a 6-day challenge, a 6-day training series, where I'll walk you through step by step on how to access your Akashic Records, how to define the right kind of questions to ask, and of course, ask questions. Work with your Akashic Record keepers to get the guidance. So if you would like to tap into your soul's blueprint and learn about the Akashic Records, check out this training series. I think you're going to love it. So I put the link in the description below. But so let's talk about what exactly can you uncover inside the records. So I already shared with you, it's like your library of all lifetimes, right? So you can find out about specific past lives that may be affecting you today. You can uncover karmic cords that are attached, because karma is, it's not like what comes around goes around, but it is certain life lessons that your soul is meant to learn. So if in a past life you have not learned a specific lesson, well, you're going to repeat it each and every lifetime until you've learned that lesson. So that's really what karma is all about. So you, in the Akashic Records, you can find out about certain past lives. So let's say you are financially challenged in this lifetime and you're wondering, what is going on? Where is this coming from? You can actually find out there are probably past lives where you have experienced financial hardship, or the opposite. Maybe you were very rich and then you made certain choices that, or decisions where you don't ever want to be rich again. So maybe there are certain things that you had to learn as your soul advances, and maybe if you have passed before you learned the lesson, well, you keep bringing that with you in each lifetime. And I bring up money because that's usually the one thing that most people are challenged with, right? So that's one thing that you can find out too. And then another thing is soul contracts, because your soul makes certain contracts with certain people before you enter each lifetime to also have certain experiences, learn certain lessons. So if there's certain people in your life, or you keep attracting the same kind of people, that maybe you keep attracting narcissists or people that take advantage of you or anything like that, in the Akashic Records, you can also find out about any soul contracts that are still active, that need to be released, that need to be cleared and healed in order to move forward. You can also find out certain things. Why are you challenged right now? So for me, I do a lot around business and financial abundance and life purpose. So a lot of my clients, they will find out about why are they challenged in really moving forward. I had done readings for myself also around financial abundance and why am I challenged? And it can uncover certain things that happen in this lifetime. Maybe when you were a child, you've had a really bad experience that taught you certain things that now holds you back, or then also, of course, past lives. But like I mentioned earlier, you can find out about past lives and current lifetimes, maybe from your past when you was younger, that shows you, that gives you the clear insights in what exactly is going on. Why are you unable to move forward? What is holding you back? What are your blocks as well? You can uncover those mindset blocks as well. What are your mindset or your beliefs that are actually hindering you from moving forward? But one of the most beautiful things that you can also find out is, what are you really here to do? Who are you at soul level? What are your divine gifts? What is your soul's mission in this lifetime? And then you will really get that clear guidance also, how to really step into it. You can also find out what are some blocks and limitations that are keeping you from fully embracing what you're here to do. So think of it, I mean, the Akashic Records, it's really such a beautiful tool that can help you find your path in life. And also it helps you heal and release, because as you're uncovering within the Akashic Records what is holding you back, what are some past lives and karmic cords or soul contracts, well, within the Akashic Records, as you're doing the clearing and healing within the records, you can actually rewrite the timelines. So as you're going, let's say you're going back into a past life, you're finding out about a past life, you're going back into that, you're getting guidance around it. You can also ask your Akashic Record keepers, how can I heal and release and clear this particular past life? So you're then shifting the energies around whatever happened, which then collapses the timelines. So if we're talking a few past lives, or even something in this lifetime, so let's say you had a really bad experience or something that happened when you were younger, maybe you were a teen, that is now really affecting you from really moving forward. Maybe you, one of the things that I see a lot with my clients is, as they are now spiritually awakening, they're finding out that they had their gifts early on, but then what, if you're a kid and all of a sudden you're talking about, you're seeing things, you're experiencing things, and your parents are like, what is going on? Are you going crazy? You as a child may have then shut down your gifts, and you have forgotten them. You pushed them away because you didn't want to be weird, right? So then here too we can clear, or you can clear whatever happened then, the emotional charge around it, which then will have a ripple effect and then will shift your timeline in this lifetime. So it's really a powerful tool. And the reason why the healing part is so powerful and so important is because you gotta let go of what has been in order to move forward. If you have been challenged for a very long time, or if there's something you want to do and you feel like you can't move forward, it's like you feel like you're hitting a wall all the time, well, then there's probably something in your past that needs to be healed and released and cleared. And the Akashic Records is a powerful tool that will allow you to do that. So like I said, if that is of interest to you, if you would like to learn a little bit more about the Akashic Records and how they can really help you move forward, then I want to invite you again. Check out my 6-day challenge. I think you're going to love it. You're going to get so much out of this, just a 6-day training series where you will gain insights into who you are. You will get some of your most important questions answered. You will get guidance around it. So if that's you, check it out. The link is in the description. I would love to support you for 6 days and help you uncover more about who you are through the Akashic Records. So here you go. I hope you have a bit of an understanding now about what exactly are the Akashic Records and how can they really help you in your life. And maybe you are drawn to doing this kind of work. I know for myself, it really changed my life, because also one other thing that I feel guided to share with you is when you work with the Akashic Records, you shift as well, because when you enter the Akashic Records, it's like you are in a much higher vibration. And you do your own inner work without actually focusing on, but just being at higher vibration. It shifts you. It lifts your vibration. It helps you also raise your consciousness. So if you ever want to maybe work with the higher realms, really work with your guides, the Akashic Records can be the stepping stone that will help you do just that. It is such a powerful tool that can really help you not just get the answers and clear and heal, but you also then feel more fulfilled. Like I mentioned, ever since I've been working with the Akashic Records, it changed my life. I no longer have questions or look for answers. I just tune in, I access my records, I have questions, I'm like, okay, I want to know what's going on, and I get the guidance. So it's really a powerful tool. So if you have been guided to watch this video, then I really think there's a reason behind it. So maybe you are meant to do this kind of work. Because if you feel drawn to the Akashic Records, that's because your soul already knows. That's part of what soul has maybe come here to do, to work with the Akashic Records. So I want to invite you, follow that inner nudging. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you gain a little bit more insights into what exactly are the Akashic Records and how can they really help you in your life. But if you did like this video, do me a favor, hit the like button. I would greatly appreciate it. And be sure to subscribe to this channel and check out this next video that I think you might like as well. But thanks so much for being here. I will talk to you again in the next video. Until then, make an amazingly abundant, successful day. Namaste.